Happy Tunes!
Five little penguins on icy snow. Ready, set, slide, off they go. Wee, wee, down the hill, sliding fast with lots of thrill. Slide, slide, penguin slide, gliding on the snowy ride. Flap your wings and sing along to the penguin sliding song. One found a fish, shiny and blue. Another found a snowflake too. One built a castle made of ice. Everyone thought it looked so nice. Then they spotted a rainbow bright, dancing colors in the light. The penguins laughed and twirled around, the happiest friends in town. Slide, slide, penguin slide, friends forever side by side. What a fun and snowy day for penguins out at play. Subscribe for more videos.